Hello, I'm Vinay, and this is Big Data Assignment 1. In this, we're gonna make a connection between Cassandra and Java Eclipse. Also, create a table, insert a row, update that row, and delete the same. And there are two parts to this tutorial, and so going along with it. First, I've created a case space called demo. Let me just show you. Sorry, demo. Yeah, and we've also created a table called users. Select everything. As you can see, there's already a row in the table users. Now going to the Eclipse. Here, as per the tutorial, first part of the tutorial, I've created a project, created a class, imported the drivers, imported jar files for making connection between Cassandra and Eclipse. Here, I'm gonna insert a row, update that row, and delete the same. First, let's get started with inserting. I'm gonna uncomment this. Just check if okay. I'm gonna comment this. So let's run this. Okay, let's see whether that reflected in SQL shell. As we can see, that has reflected, and there's a row which has been inserted. Now let's comment this part out, and let's update that row, the age in that row actually. Let's run it. Okay, now let's see. SQL shell. As we can see, it has been updated. Now let me comment this off, and finally I'm going to delete that row and show it to you. Okay, let's delete it now. Okay, let's see whether that reflected in SQL. Yes, as you can see, that has reflected in SQL. Now going to the second part of the tutorial, and here also we're doing the same. We're gonna insert, update, and delete rows. In this we are creating new nodes, and also we are doing load balancing. We are doing this to avoid single point failure. As we can see, here is a code for retry policy and load balancing, and I'm gonna first insert a row. Let me just check if everything is, yeah. So I'm gonna insert a row first. Okay, let me see whether that reflected. Yes, as we can see, it has reflected. Now I'm gonna update the same. Let me just comment this out first. Okay, and I'm gonna update the same here. Just update the row values to 36. Let me see whether that has been updated. As we can see, it has been updated to 36. Now I'm just gonna delete the row here. Yeah, just gonna uncomment this. So this should delete the row. Okay. So let's see whether that has reflected. As we can see, that has reflected in SQL shell. This is the assignment. Thank you very much.